This video will show an example on how to find a moment about an axis. This example asks us to find a moment about axis A, which is caused by force F, which is modelling the force due to water being sprayed from the shower head. The first step in solving this problem is to find a vector which goes from the origin up to the force vector. And to do this, we add vector R1 to vector R2. So vector R1 plus vector R2 equals 65I plus 115J plus 275K, which we will denote as R. The next step is to use the moment about an axis formula, which is moments about axis A equals the unit vector which points in the direction of the axis we're interested in, dotted with the cross of vector R, which we just found, with F. To solve this, we set up a determinant, but instead of the I, J, K values being at the top, we use the values of the unit vector. Therefore, along the top we have 0.544, 0.839, and 0. We then have the R vector in the second row, 65, 115, and 275. And lastly, we have the force vector, minus 1.4, minus 2.45, and 4.1. Solving for this determinant, we have 0.544, 115 times 4.1, which is 471.5, minus 2.45 times 275, which is positive 673.75, minus 0.839, 65 times 4.1, which is 266.5, minus 275 times minus 1.4, which turns it to a positive 385, plus 0, due to this 0 here. Solving this, we get a moment, which is a scalar, which equals 76.41 Newton millimeters. And to find this as a vector, we multiply it by the unit vector here. So moments about axis A in vector form equals 76.41 Newton millimeters multiplied by 0.544 I plus 0.839 J, which finally equals 41.57 I plus 64.108 J. And this is in Newton millimeters.